The revolution in Teflon saw blade printing. In-depth review of the 1612 Ricoh G6 industrial solution, achieving the holy grail of industrial inkjet, high adhesion, high output, low cost, the branding dilemma in the saw blade industry, for diamond blades, alloy blades, and Teflon-coated blades. Brand logos and specs have long relied on traditional screen printing or laser marking. But as market demand grows for better aesthetics, brand differentiation, and anti-counterfeiting traceability, the flaws of these old methods are becoming impossible to ignore. Screen printing is slow, hard to align colors, and polluting. Laser marking offers only one color and can't meet high-end customization needs. Especially for Teflon-coated blades, thanks to their super non-stick surface, ordinary ink just won't stick. How do you achieve permanent graphics without killing the Teflon's performance? And how can you slash printing costs down to pennies per piece in a brutal price war? Today, we are diving deep into the 1612 UV printer, equipped with Ricoh G6 printheads, the real deal when it comes to printing on Teflon saw blades. 1612 UV printer, plus Ricoh G6 printhead, the power combo. A 16M x 12M effective print area, perfectly sized for mid to large scale industrial production. It sidesteps the low output of small machines, while offering more space flexibility than oversized giants. High precision vacuum table, for steel saw blades, flatness is everything. The 1612 uses a high hardness aluminum vacuum table, that keeps 35 plus blades rock steady even at high speeds. Linear motors silent rails, to match the speed of Ricoh G6. The 1612 typically comes with high precision magnetic levitation drives, or imported ground screw rods, ensuring repeat positioning accuracy within plus or minus 0.02 mm. Ricoh G6 printheads are the current flagship in UV inkjet printing. High firing frequency speed, compared to previous models, G6's firing frequency jumps from 30 kHz to 50 kHz, meaning more droplets per second and up to a 35% boost in production efficiency. 5 picoliter micro droplets, enables multi-level grayscale printing. Tiny specks on saw blades come out sharp with no fuzz or bleed. Long lifespan, fully metal construction resists corrosion and clogging, ideal for saw factories, where metal dust is everywhere. Solving Teflon adhesion. The 3-step, proven process, printing on Teflon is known as industrial printing's toughest nut to crack. This solution breaks it down into 3 standardized steps, no more peeling issues. Step 1, plasma treatment, the game changer. This is where it all starts. Teflon's molecular structure is super stable with ultra-low surface energy. We use a plasma treatment system with high-energy plasma beams to scan the blade surface. How it works: active particles in plasma physically bombard and chemically modify the surface, breaking some molecular bonds and introducing polar groups, like hydroxyl, O, and carboxyl, COOH. Result: surface energy shoots up, giving ink a solid grip right from day one. Step 2, apply special metal primer coat. Building on plasma treatment, we add an extra primer step. Chemical anchoring. This coating has dual affinity. One end locks onto the blade base material, the other cross-links with UV ink. Easy to use, just wipe with a lint-free cloth. Dries instantly at room temp, 0 downtime. Step 3, 6-pass unidirectional printing mode. In software settings, we go with 6-pass unidirectional printing. Why 6-pass? It's the sweet spot. 4-pass equals faster, but coverage isn't strong enough. 8-pass equals ultra-precise, but kills output speed. 6-pass gives thick enough ink layers with full saturation so graphics stay vibrant, even on black Teflon backgrounds. Why unidirectional? Eliminates step errors from back and forth motion. Every droplet lands exactly where it should on treated areas. Consistent adhesion across every blade. Cost breakdown that makes bosses smile. Pennies per piece. For saw blade makers, profit margins are calculated down to every second. Tested on 35 blades, total print time equals 20 minutes, output equals 105 pieces, hour 1050 pieces, day, assuming 10 hours. That's enough for mid to large factories' daily targets. Now here's what really gets bosses excited. Cost per piece equals just 1 cent. Yes, you read that right. 1 cent per blade. That's not magic, it's engineering excellence. Eco-friendly, compliance-ready, UV inkjet uses light curing tech, no solvents evaporating, no wastewater produced, green factory upgrade path built in. To keep your 1612 plus Ricoh G6 setup running smoothly long-term, dust control, saw shops are dusty. Keep your printer in a dust-free booth to prevent clogged nozzles. Static elimination, metal blades generate static during handling, and plasma treatment. Install high-efficiency iron bars to stop ink splatter. Stable temp humidity, ideal conditions, 20-28 degrees C, 40-60% RH ensures smooth ink flow and perfect curing every time. The 1612 plus Ricoh G6 solution isn't just an equipment upgrade, it's a full reset of how saw blades are made. With just 1 cent per piece, it solves an industry-wide pain point once thought unsolvable. In the future, saw blades won't just cut, they'll carry brand stories and technical data too. Whoever masters fast, low-cost surface processing first will own premium branding power in today's saturated market. If you're looking for a way to elevate product quality, slash production costs, and stay eco-compliant, the 1612 plus Ricoh G6UV printer solution isn't just smart, it's your best move yet.